Oh, then who wouldn't want SRK? I would love Shah Rukh sir to just come and be a part of a show. I just really hope, and I think if I'll see him, I'll just be like, I'll forget my script. I'll just say, आप 1 घंटा stage पे रहो, मैं बाकी कर लूँ. कुछ नहीं करना. The show will be a hit. Because a hit is an understatement. I mean, just his presence, just his aura. Come see the show because this is a show where you're gonna fall in love with Bollywood again. If you have little वो जो hopes आपकी थोड़ी कम हो गई होगी, no, I don't like it, it's so creepy, it's so shady. वो जो आपकी एक कुछ बहुत जनों का व्यू पॉइंट्स है, you will change it because suddenly you'll realize no. So it's a journey through the different aspects of Bollywood and how Bollywood plays such an important role to the whole world. So it's an absolute entertainer. आप जब आओगे आप देखोगे बॉलीवुड गानों पे वहां से कोई ट्रपीज करते हुए नीचे आए, यहाँ से कुछ हुआ, यहाँ पर सारे एक्टर्स आ गए, यहाँ पर बॉलीवुड डांसिंग हो गया, अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड डांसिंग है. वीव गॉट पंजारा एक्ट, वीव गॉट कैपरे एक्ट, वीव गॉट थोड़े बहुत लैटिन डांस फॉर्म्स. एंड व्हाट अदर डांस फॉर्म्स वी tango, Latin styles we are putting, Bollywood of course. So all the different Bollywood के जितने dance styles रहे हैं, we've tried to bring in all of that. So it's a full Bollywood masala, entertaining, musical, okay, musical spectacular. So I'm sure people are going to love the fact they are rekindling themselves with Bollywood.
Anita, many congratulations. Ticket to Bollywood. It's already doing lot of lot of hype in Mumbai. The show is already talked about. Please tell us how this happened. How did you initiate and tell us the whole story behind it.
Well, so where do I start? This journey has not started now. This has been going on, I think, since 1 year. Yeah. After COVID, we've been talking about it, discussing. There has been a lot of back and forth. How do we put this together? What are we going to exactly do? What is the plan? But in life, few things ऐसे होते हैं कि अपने आप it takes a course of its own action. So उसी तरीके से this show has come together. There's been a lot of back and forth and planning that has gone inside this. So that's how it began. Basically, this show is in South Africa. It's a Broadway Bollywood musical. So there is, and the main key feature about the show is that it's got circus acts like acrobatics and all of that, special acts and Bollywood. So that's the whole key feature about this show. Now, having said that, we had to come up with a different concept, a script that is going to reach out to everybody and it is going to have some effect because जब हम स्क्रिप्ट बना रहे थे बहुत सारी चीजें थी माइंड में, ये डालना है, ये डालना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. द फर्स्ट स्क्रिप्ट गॉट मतलब रिजेक्टेड, हमको इतना मजा नहीं आ रहा था. देन वी सडनली देयर वाज अ डे व्हेन आई रियलाइज थिएटर्स का जमाना चला गया, तो हम तो कोई थिएटर्स जाते ही नहीं है, करेक्ट. लाइव शोज, लाइव प्लेज, दैट थिंग हैज डाइड. Cinema is also kind of taking its weird action of dying. So I said, it just came to my head कि आजकल कोई एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होती, हम मूवीज जाते हैं तभी हमें कोई वो नहीं होता कि हाँ we just have a bad notion कि खराब, so we are letting everything slowly just leave our system and we cannot let it happen. So that has been a bit of a notion for me to put this together, and that message we wanted to put out कि let not cinema die. So बहुत सारी चीजें थी and we've now come together and we've put this kind of message at the end. And yes, the journey also mainly belongs to Rakesh ji and Smita di. They are from South Africa. She's just come down for the press con. So I would like Smita Di to say something.
So if I take it from where she said about Cinema Die, so just to introduce our company, which is Epic Entertainment, we have done a series of Chalo Cinema, which is 1, 2, 3, up to 5. And that was always the behind the scenes of making movies. All our stage productions were on that line with different background each time. But the essence or the primary message what we conveyed to our audience was mainly about Chalo Cinema, let's go to the cinemas. And so this is really tying in very well a ticket to Bollywood. The fact that cinema is dying. So what we were trying to promote initially, we're faced with the time now that the same thing is, has changed. All the formats have changed and so on. So this is actually the perfect time to change the thought and the essence of the show. And we've also introduced circus this time. Ankita's choreography is going to be totally different from her other Chalo Cinema previously. And also we're introducing some magic as well. So the magic of cinema is going to also be shown and real magic as well. So, and dance, Bollywood dancing. So it's an entertainer. So to bring you back to the stage, to entertainment and the value of the cinema, bring all that back to everywhere. That is our aim and we're hoping, we can achieve it.
Yeah.
We've got our local South African dancers. We've got a few from India. So it's a collaboration with India and South Africa to uplift the South African artist as well. This is also, 2-in-1. So we also benefit by having people from Mumbai come and uplift our standards in South Africa and give in and for us to grow as well. So it has many reasons we're doing this and we continue to do it.
So yeah. Akshay, you have your entire team here. Yes. So like what to do. Yes. So for everybody, this is S-Rox, Harsh and Hiren. They have been pioneers in the whole music system in terms of जितने भी आपको पता ही होगा reality shows में जितने भी edits देखते हो जितने भी mixes होता है, these are the boys. This is the team. Harsh is also now done something for Remo sir for his new movie. He's given music. So congratulations on that. So yes, Harsh, I want you to say something.
We are S-Rox Music, so we have done music for the show. And this is something different than the normal. And we are happy.
And that's Aman. He's a part of my team and he plays a very important role. जब मैं खुद नहीं खुद समझ में आता and everything is going upside down, he's like, calm down, मैं हूँ, मैं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं कर. So basically, also I have to tie this in. The script is basically a new age Gen Z AI influenced character protagonist. वो एक्टर है, डायरेक्टर है, वो आपको सब बाद में पता चलेगा, पर वो है ना बहुत आजकल के जमाने के प्रोटैगनिस्ट है जिनको है ना ये सब चीज चैट जीपीटी से पूछते हैं, एआई से पूछते हैं, सब इंस्टाग्राम पोल निकालो, लाइक खुद का मतलब थोड़ा सा जैसे ना न्यू जनरेशन होता है. सो विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड आई कम फ्रॉम अ लिटिल तब के टाइम के. सो आई एम होपिंग आप लोग काफी सारे मेरे टाइम के हो, वो जो ना हम ये दिस इज ए फैक्टर. बट देन ऑल्सो वी आर द ओल्ड स्कूल पीपल. हमको वो अच्छा लगता है. मैं कभी भी मैं बुक में लिखूंगी, नोट्स कट करूंगी, पेजेस फाड़ूंगी. आई स्टिल डू दैट. सो येस, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, इट्स अ वेल बैलेंस बिटवीन द टू. ही helps me put everything together and give me notes and all of that. So yes, that's Aman. He's gone to Broadway Dance Center. He's gone to New York. He's going to go again there. So he's trained himself there. So yes, he's a part of the team as well.
Ankita, जो musical Broadway है, we've been witnessing in the past few years. पर आपका जो show है उसकी अगर बात करें when it's there, what is different? What is that one pull of connect of Bollywood that is finding?
I think there are 3 factors to this show if you ask me. One, the fact that I kept saying in my previous interviews, अभी डांस कहाँ बचा. अब मैं आपको नॉर्मल डांस दिखाऊंगी, नॉर्मल एक एक्ट बताऊंगी, आपको मजा नहीं आएगा. एक्चुअली किसी को भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हमको आदत हो गई है ड्रामे की. So every time we used to show an act to any of our producers and creatives बोलते थे pajama का है ना, it's be like what is jama मतलब कुछ special क्या है. So also as audiences, as all of us, I have gotten used to कि हम larger than life देखे चीजों को, ना कि बस मैं अगर सिंपल कथक परफॉर्मेंस करूंगी या सिर्फ जैज करूंगी, अब लोग यार ठीक है वो अच्छा था, उधर से घूमते हुए गिर गया था नीचे. So we are now used to that. So our first thing we've gotten tied the two. Bollywood गाने है, Bollywood dance है, Bollywood drama है, and acrobatic acts है. So aerial acts, we've got trapeze acts, we've got trampoline acts. बहुत सारे जो acrobatic acts होते हैं, special performances होते हैं, we're tying that with Bollywood. So that's our USP. Second, this is of course an ode to Bollywood. So हमारा जो script है वो it's this whole journey जो cinema के बारे में है, जब से I hope you all know that it's 100 years to our cinema, more than 100 years. और cinema we play a very small role. मतलब आप मैं बहुत छोटा रोल प्ले करते हैं in the world of cinema, but cinema itself plays a very big role in every one of our life. We are so influenced by it. आज मैं जो भी हो ये हमारी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रह जाता है, पर आज हम जो भी है हम गाना सुनते सो वी स्टार्ट क्राइंग, हम कोई सीन देखते हम उससे कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं, तो हमारे लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस है सिनेमा. सो दिस इज एन ओड टू बॉलीवुड दैट वी वांट टू पुट टुगेदर एंड टेक दिस शो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, a show about what is Bollywood and how can we let third thing, the most important thing, how can we let it die? So I want कि हम पहले जैसे बॉक्सेस ऑफिसेस के बाहर खड़े रहते थे या कोई मूवी आता था. I still remember वो इश्क, there was this movie इश्क and it was so funny and I took my mother 3 times. मम्मी वापस देखेंगे वापस. अब हम एक बार भी नहीं जाते देख ले, और एक बार में भी वो किसी ने कहा कि यार तुम गए नहीं देखने, अच्छी है मूवी, तो we went, तब भी we went for that movie, remember? Because किसी ने हमको कहा it's a nice movie, so but why? Why are we letting it die? So this is my third important feature कि we are letting cinema die. और क्योंकि fake reviews है, क्योंकि हमने bought 100 crore बता दिया बस वो है, और हमारा कुछ दिमाग हम यूज ही नहीं करे कि we should also have an opinion about a movie. खराब, बुरा, अच्छा, bad, it's okay. Everything has its thing, goods and bads, but we cannot let it die. It's a very important part of our life. We are grown up with it. We are its kids. तो मुझे वही एक मैसेज भी आगे तक पहुंचाना था along with the entire team.
So, special music, have you made something, put it, recorded it? So when we have music composers and not hear a song from them, or take it to Bollywood to incorporate.
About this, we are created a whole musical with dialogues. So very long.
Little love and concern.
We have created a whole act with dialogues and Bollywood songs. जो अभी under process है. With her direction and choreography. तो सब मिला के एक ये फिल्म है जो आप स्टेज पे देख पाओगे, और जो इन्होंने लिखा है वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट सुनने के लिए हम भी एक्साइटेड है कि एट द एंड वो कैसा सुनाई देगा, और डायरेक्शन वाइज वो देखने में कितना मजा आएगा.
वैसे आपसे जानना चाहेंगे ये टिकट टू बॉलीवुड कहाँ वर्ल्ड में ट्रैवल हुआ आफ्टर साउथ अफ्रीका? प्रीमियर इज इन साउथ अफ्रीका
Yes.
in May, April 8th. Where will you be traveling on? So when do we get to see it in Mumbai?
Oh, we're hoping soon. But for now, we've got South Africa in Cape Town and Johannesburg after Durban. We hope if successful, this is just the pilot, the initial. And after that, we hope to work on it further, make it bigger, and take it to Cape Town, Johannesburg. Thereafter, we're hoping London. Mumbai, I think, is the first stop because it's this collaboration between Mumbai and South Africa. So it should start here. And we're hoping from here to the UK and the US for now. Mauritius is another stopover. But it's all still being in the planning stages of the.
अंकिता, एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर जिसे आप टिकट टू बॉलीवुड करते हुए दिखते हैं.
Yes, I also want to add that I really want to take this show to NMACC because I know this is going to reach out to all the Bollywood lovers. See, हमारा Bollywood पैदा तो इधर ही हुआ है. So when I was doing my whole research about what must my script be, पैदा इधर हुआ है बॉम्बे में. We were called Bombay and that's why Bombay, B for Bombay, B for Bollywood. So I want to reach out to Bollywood lovers. So yes, I'm hoping when we come to Mumbai, we do it at an MSCC. Okay. And yes, coming to you. Yes, and coming to your question, I have approached couple of actors. So my story there is only, it has got only 2 protagonists. Okay, वो मैं आपको भी रिवील नहीं कर सकती. But there are जो 2 protagonists है, उसमें से एक बहुत important रोल प्ले करता है. एक important किरदार है वो जो पूरे शो को जोड़ता है. Now I have reached out to couple of actors from our industry. I'm hoping that we get to boil down to somebody who fits perfectly. And yes, we are still looking for the right kind of actor क्योंकि वो ऐसा किरदार है जिनको ये पूरे जो स्टोरी है, ये पूरा जो शो है, वो जोड़ के आगे चल रहा. So he has to be really a reflection of Bollywood. So that's what we are aiming to soon find, the right actor.
Markita, which is that one actor you would want?
I would want, if you ask me, oh, then who wouldn't want SRK? I would love Shah Rukh sir to just come and be a part of a show. I just really hope, and I think if I'll see him, I'll just be like, I'll forget my script. I'll just say, आप 1 घंटा stage पे रहो, मैं बाकी कर लूँ, कुछ नहीं करना.
The show will be a hit.
Hit is an understatement. I mean, just his presence, just his aura. If I think I'm dreaming too big.
Got dancing, songs, singers.
Right.
And are you doing languages in that? Because Bollywood is not restricted to Jankiti. We have so many different languages. It is a combination of languages, all integrated.
Correct.
So can your audience, because we have so many NRIs with different walks of life, how there's, or do we get an experience those nuances?
So we have dialogues. So okay, I'll take you through the show. Basically, it's a script between these 2 protagonists. And it's all in English because it's an international audience. Unko to obviously they don't understand. In fact, my first script, I put little bit Hindi. Even my circus agency artist head, she was like, I don't understand anything because they are absolutely unaware of Bollywood में क्या, मतलब Bollywood तो थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा उनको, शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, उससे ज़्यादा उनको कुछ नहीं पता होता. So I had to make sure that I reach out to them in their language. So the entire script is in English, but yes, there are bits and spurts on screen and live performances of somebody saying the famous dialogue. मेरे पास बंगला है, पैसा है, गाड़ी है, आपके पास क्या है? But then we have another dialogue from Senorita, छोटे-छोटे देशों में बड़ी-बड़ी चीजें, बड़ी-बड़ी देशों में छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती रहती है. So we've got these dialogues कि आपको वो याद आ जाए, अरे हाँ, ये टाइम पे this happened, जब वो टाइम पे वो this happened. And the whole thing is weaving around. जैसे also we went Natu, so has gone to Oscars. So I have to bring that. So the entire show is all these things that makes Bollywood and how it has influenced our life. Like वो चीज हम भूल गए कि हम जो भी है बुक्स किताबों से ज्यादा बॉलीवुड ने हमको इन्फ्लुएंस किया है. तो हम जो भी जैसे भी बिहेव करते हैं, रोते हैं, कोई सिचुएशन पे रिएक्ट करते हैं, we actually do it somewhere in the subconscious. मैंने कोई मूवी देखी थी, वो रह गया and we react to it that way. So this connection जो रहा है सालों से, and dialogues of course and when we'll travel, suppose we're traveling to a particular country and we have to talk in French, we try and bring French, but abhi to English hai.
So you have to get all those elements together so that it attracts content. And of course, they are all aware of the fact that Bollywood anyways attracts global audiences. So you guys are subtitling your storytelling, of course.
Yes.
English.
Yes.
That's perfect.
So we've got this entire screen that has been exported from a particular country to South Africa. So the production has been taken care of like that. So there's going to be like a curved screen kind of thing. So you get a effect like that. So यहाँ पे भी चीजें हो रही है, वहाँ पे भी चीजें, पीछे भी कुछ हो रहा है. Performances are happening, aerial acts are happening, and then my 2 protagonists came. So one protagonist is this new age person who believes in, chat GPT, Gen Z behavior, believes in all these kind of AI generation wala which baby. And there is this one protagonist who's तब के जमाने से जब बॉलीवुड शुरू हुआ था. So इनके बीच की जो एक conversation है and the journey. So that's what, oh, that's good.
And the clue is what's in front of us here today. Yeah. Second product, the double is Kiros.
Yes, exactly. You're right.
Friend of mine said that, which movie did you see last? How was it? They asked me because they said they don't want to see the movies that are coming out that are like Hollywood. They say because we miss our Bollywood, like Indian, we want to have the connection. So that old is gold thought and an enjoyment of older movies and that style, that's what they want to see. This is the, my generation and so on. They don't want to see rehash of, they can go and watch a Western, Indian, go and watch an English movie dubbed.
To watch Ticket to Bollywood, South Africa, India, the entire world. It's amazing.
First and foremost, I would say that let not cinema die. I want to start with that because somewhere it's really hit me. Because I am a child of cinema, and I think all of us are. So mera ye message hoga to come see the show because this is a show where you're going to fall in love with Bollywood again. If you have little वो जो hopes आपकी थोड़ी कम हो गई होगी, no, I don't like, it's so creepy, it's so shady. वो जो आपकी एक कुछ बहुत जनों का viewpoints है, you will change it because suddenly you will realize, no. So it's a journey through the different aspects of Bollywood and how Bollywood plays such an important role to the whole world. So it's an absolute entertainer. आप जब आओगे आप देखोगे बॉलीवुड गानों पे वहां से कोई ट्रपीज करते हुए नीचे आए, यहाँ से कुछ हुआ, यहाँ पर सारे एक्टर्स आ गए, यहाँ पर बॉलीवुड डांसिंग हो गया, अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड डांसिंग है. वीव गॉट पंजारा एक्ट, वीव गॉट कैपरे एक्ट, वीव गॉट थोड़े बहुत लैटिन डांस फॉर्म्स. एंड व्हाट अदर डांस फॉर्म्स वी आर? Tango, Latin styles we are putting, Bollywood of course. So all the different Bollywood के जितने dance styles रहे हैं, we've tried to bring in all of that. So it's a full Bollywood masala, entertaining, musical, okay, musical spectacular. So I'm sure people are going to love the fact they are rekindling themselves with Bollywood. And what would you want to add?
What's special about the show? I think it's something that no one's seen. I watch a lot of live shows, so we are bringing something, a different take on a stage show. This mix of circus, Bollywood, and magic. Magic acts are there as well, and the AI factor, the acting. There's lots of elements. Yeah, lots of surprise elements, and I think our efforts to entertain is going to be achieved in this. It's something for everyone to just go, relax in 2 hours. Within 2 hours, you're going to come out with a smile on your face, having seen something worth it. And that ticket to Bollywood would have been very
Relevant.
well worth it.
You want to say something?
No, it's just, it has been a great learning process. As she said, I am a new age guy. Even I am learning so much about Bollywood. It's like I took the first ticket to Bollywood.
He's got the first ticket.
Yes, and I could relate with my parents. The first thing I want to say is I can actually have a conversation with my parents about the movies which used to come out that time. My mom was like, पहले लाइनें लगती थी,
Then
अभी कोई नहीं जा रहा थिएटर. So I just want to say that I just want to help and bring that time back.
Harsh and
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you,
Just do
everyone.
some visual standing.